linear search and binary search. Let's see linear search in brief. Let's see the definition for linear search. Linear search is also known as sequential search. That means it searches the element one by one. It checks the search element with each element in a sequence. It is the continuation of the definition of linear search. Linear search, it checks the element with each element until the desired element is found or the list is exhausted. Exhausted means finished. It checks until the desired element or until the end of the list. A list need not be ordered. Now look at the example for linear search. The values of the list are given below: 10, 12, 20, 25, 30. So these are the 5 values are stored in a list. List is nothing but it resembles an array. Do you all remember the array? An array is used to store multiple values. Do you remember that? So we can store multiple values of same data type in an array. Like that, in a list also we can store multiple values. These are the values. So now we are going to search the element 25. So 25 is our target key now. How values in a list are stored in a memory? Do you remember that? It takes index value. They start with 0. So in an array also it takes like that. A set bracket of 0, A set bracket of 1. We have stored arrays values like that. Have you all remembered that? So likewise, these values, how they are stored in a memory is given below. In index 0, the value 10 is stored. In the index first, the value 12 is stored. Like that, value 20, 25, 30 are stored in the index 2, 3, 4 respectively. So now look at what are the values of a list stored in an index. Now we are going to search the element 25. It is called target key. So now let's see how the search technique is used in a linear search. The definition, it is the definition for pseudocode. A pseudocode is an informal way of program description that doesn't require any syntax or technology considerations. We have already seen that pseudocode is like an algorithm. It doesn't follow any particular language. It is in a simple English form. Anyone can easily understand what is in the program. So next one, it is used for creating an outline or a rough draft of a program. So before we are going to do a program, we have to get an outline for the program. It may be in any form. Those forms are called flowchart, pseudocode, algorithm. We have learned in C++. This is the pseudocode for linear search. When we are going to search an element using linear search, we have to follow these steps. So how an element are going to search in a linear search technique algorithm? These steps are given in pseudocode form. First step is traverse the array using for loop. Use for loop to go and check the value one by one. This is the first step. Second one, in every iteration, compare the target key value with the current value of the list. That means, just remember the example we have listed in linear search. What are the values? 10, 12, 20, 25, 30. So these are the values given in the list. What is our target key? 25. So now we are going to search in which index the value 25 is stored. That is linear search. We are using the second step. Our target value is 25. Now we are going to compare the value 25 with every values in the list one by one. What is the first value? 10. So 25 is compared to 10. It is not equal. So it just move to the second index. So in the first index, we have the value 12. So now 12 is compared to 25. It is not equal. So it moves to the second index. So value 20 is stored in second index. It is compared with the target key. 20 is not equal to 25. So it goes to the next index. In the third index, we have the value 25. Our target key is 25. These values are equal. So we found the value. So what is the value of index? 3. So in the third question, the value 25 is stored. So it produced the output 3. This is called linear search. This is the method how the linear search searching the target key. It search the value one by one. If the values match, it display the index value. If the values are not match, it moves on to the next element. Third one, if no match is found, display the search element is not found. That means it checks the target key with each element in the list one by one until the list is exhausted. What is mean as exhausted? Finished. Until the list is finished, it checks the key element with one by one. If it is not found the searching key in any one of the value in the list, it returns no match is found. That means -1 will be printed as output. Is it clear? Let's see with the example. This is the example for linear search. In example 1, values is the name of a list. We can identify the name of the list through the set bracket. A list name must contain set bracket. The values of the list must be given within the curly braces. The values of the list are 5, 34, 65, 12, 77 and 35. So these are the values of the list. How many values are? There are 6 values. How the values are stored in a memory? Through the index value. So in 0th place, 5 is stored. In first place, 34 is stored. In the second place, 65 is stored. Up to in the 5th index, the value 35 is stored. So now we are going to search the value 77. So it is our target. So now let's remember the pseudocode for linear search. What is the first one? We have to traverse the array using for loop. So the for loop must go in the value 1 by 1. What is the next one? Compare the target key with every element in a list. So what is our target value? 77. So 77 is compared with the first index value, that is in 0th position we have 5. So 77 is compared with 5. They are not equal. So it moves to the second value. So now 77 is compared with 34. They are not equal. Then move to the next. 77 is compared with 65. They are not equal. Then moves to the next value. 77 is compared with 12. They are not equal. Now 77 is compared in the 4th index, that is 77. They are equal. So the output is 4. It prints the index value for the target key. So now look at the example 2. Values is the name of a list. They have stored values 101, 392, 1, 54, 32, 22, 90, 93. So these are the values in the list value. So our target is 200.